All right, so here's another Christmas one because, of course, I'm doing the November kit, which is a lot Christmas themed. So my background is basil cardstock. And let's see, that pink layer is from Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish. And that floral layer is Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish as well. And Theo, he's always got to play. Oh, I gave him I have a little paper ball to try to get him to go. But he ain't having it. It's like, no, I ain't going nowhere. Oh, now he's going to play with his paper ball. And the berry branch, that one is from Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish too. I have to stick it under hide it. And I have those wood veneers, but they don't end up, I don't think I use them on here. Oh no, wait a minute. I use them on here, but I have more, that's what it is. Because I used those same wood veneers on another layout, and I used glitter. So this kit came with a lot of trees. So I'm going to use the die cuts that are the Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish exclusive die cut packs, as well as some clear acetate, which is Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish exclusive acetate. The title is the Make-A-Wish puppy stickers, phrase stickers actually, they're puppy phrase stickers. And so I'm going to put my title down. Well, I can do that while Theo's giving himself a bath. A quick bath. My goodness. All right. And my glue keeps clogging for some reason. I don't know why. And I stick a pin in it and it'll come out, and then I gotta stick a pin in it again to get it to come out. So I mess with that for a little while. So I'm gonna try to unclog it. I'm gonna pull out my vellum tape because I believe I glued one of these acetates down and you could see the glue behind it. So I decided to use some vellum tape instead. And I know he is such a pain, and I am so sorry. But he is literally always around me. He's like my little shadow. Where I am, he is. And that's how Patton is too, but I think Patton's hungry, right, Patton? You a hungry boy? Yeah. So, I'm still gluing everything down. And that's pretty much all I think I do to this layout. I don't even think I added ink splatters to this layout. So anyway, I will let you go ahead and finish watching, and when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.